For all you bakers out there, prepare to be impressed by the Joule oven's proofing capability. The proof function with rack position 8 is designed to hold low temperature and create an ideal environment for proofing bread, pizza, and other dough types. And the great news is that this function goes beyond proofing fully formed doughs. Use it to pre-ferment and to wake up bread starters straight from the fridge. Have you ever considered homemade focaccia bread with cherry tomatoes, sea salt, and rosemary? After setting the rack into position 8, place the dough in an oven-proof vessel. Cover and move to the center of the wire rack, then close the oven door. Turn the confirm dial until the triangle indicator points to the proof setting. See this top figure on the LCD screen? It shows the preset proof temperature, while this figure below indicates the preset time. You can use the convection button to choose between no convection, convection, and super convection. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan, increasing cooking rates. To adjust the temperature, turn the temperature dial. It has a max of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the time dial to adjust proofing time. When you hit the start-stop button, you'll activate the proof function and the oven alert will sound as the LCD turns orange. A countdown time will begin, and once the proof cycle is complete, you'll hear and the LCD illuminates white. Wow, that dough sure rose a lot in such a short time.